Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAT Tutorials for Beginners to Advanced. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the next type of sweep command in CATIA V5 generative shape design. So let us see the option that is line profile type having a limit and middle. So let us start with the shape design, start shape and then the generative shape design here, and then we'll keep it as it is. So again, let's click on the sweep here, and then you can see the second profile type is a line one, and then we have already seen the two limits. Now we are going to see this limit and the middle. So for this we need to have two guide curves, guide curve 1 and guide curve 2, and you can see this is G is nothing but a guide curve 1 and M is nothing but a guide curve 2. So guide curve 2 is becoming a middle inside this surface, and you can see this is equal to the second part. So let's create a two guide curves here first. So again, to create that, let's create it two sketches here on the top plane. So I will choose line option here, just create line 1 and then exit the workbench. So again, keep in mind that the two guide curves should be inside the two different sketches. Two sketches cannot be in two guide curves cannot be inside single sketch. Okay, so again I will create a second guide curve on the top plane here. So let's select the line here again, and then I will create a second line, then exit this workbench, and then click on the sweep option, and then here select limit and the middle. So in the second profile type, which is line 1, and then subtype limit and middle. So select the first guide curve here, and then select the second guide curve, and then if you just click on preview, you can see the second guide curve which is act as a midpoint of this complete surface. Just click on OK. So again double click on it, and then now let's say let me just delete this, and we'll show you. Just delete this, and we'll create one more sweep now. Now instead of selecting the guide curve 1 here, I will select 1 here, and then similarly second here, and then click on preview. So now you can see this is the guide curve 1, and now the guide curve 2 is acting as a middle here, which is a sketch 1. So just click on OK. Now you can see this is in the middle, that is sketch 1 is in the middle. So depending on the guide curve 2 you are selecting, the surface is getting changed. Double click on it, and then similarly you can create a relimiters here, and here let's say if you just uncheck this second curve as a middle curve, just uncheck this one. Now you can see the subtype is changed to two limits. So in this way this is working, and now again we can use the relimiter option. Just preview this. So I have just unchecked this one, and now it becomes subtype two limits. So again let's choose this one, and then you can see this is in the check mode now, and then we can provide a relimiters. Just click on the preview here, and you can see this is again in the middle, and in relimiters you can simply again right click here, you can create a plane, and then offset from the plane, or maybe you just parallel through point, and I will just simply select this plane, and then create a point here. Let's create a point. Maybe you can just provide a ratio here, and then you can simply add, let's say 0.45, and then click OK. Again click OK. The plane is created here, and then simply create OK. So in this way you can use the relimiters as well. And again, if you want to create a relimiter 2 as well, then you can let me change this. So if I want to change the plane location, so you can just click on this button, and then again just click on the point, and then you can change it, let's say 0.75, and then click OK, and one more OK. So it will create like this. Again you can change it from here as well. So let's try 0.12. So now the plane location has been changed. If you just show this here, you can see the plane here. Similarly, you can create a relimiter 2 here. Just right click on this field, just create a point, or maybe I will just create a point here, and then yeah, let's create at the same location. Just create a preview and then click on OK. Now you can see we can use of the relimiters as well in this command, which is a limit and the middle. So that's it for this video. In our next tutorial, we are going to discuss about the remaining command, which is a width reference surface, and all these commands we are going to see. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.